Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing. No, it's not unboxing, unbagging. And this one is from H&M. I haven't bought from H&M for a few months now at least because sometimes I just feel like the quality from H&M is not as good as I would want. But I have my reason to make this purchase. Let's see how it looks this time. Hopefully the quality is slightly better with this batch of products. I guess this one I don't need my knife, just tear it open. First thing I want to show you is this bag charm. The collaboration between the Smiley and H&M bag charm. I do like this one. Let's look at it closer. It's really cute, really soft. I decided to get this one because it just made me happy looking at this kind of a funny face. And then let's look at the second item I purchased. Don't click away yet in case you just want to look at bags because I do have a bag coming. I bought a green color pants. So far I do like the color. Seems to be reasonably good. The fabric soft. It's not crazy uncomfortable, you know, that kind of stiff fabric. The fabric does feel kind of soft. And I'm sure if you are familiar with my channel, you would know why I buying some green outfit because of my love for green bags lately. So let's put this aside. And the last item from this purchase. This is the infamous H&M Dior Book Tote dupe from H&M. That's how everybody calling their tote bag. So let's take a look, get a closer look on the fabric. So if you like the style of a book tote, instead of paying $3,000, you can get this from H&M for $30. Of course, the quality is not going to be the same, but at least this one, it has lining, so you're not going to see glue seeping out. So let's see, it has a zip pocket. The zipper is pretty smooth, a good size pocket for your phone or your wallet, so that's good. This seems to be a very popular tote bag from H&M. I heard that it was frequently out of stock, so there are many different colors. Some are lighter color and some are just like regular stripes, I think. I decided to get this one because I do like this kind of a white line art on black background kind of graphic. I have to say I'm surprised how good this looks. This looks much better than I expected. Personally I have owned so many bags, and from leather to canvas, so I'm really surprised that this actually looks decent. I don't usually love to buy dupe bags, but since I have planned a trip to Rehoboth Beach coming up soon I believe in August, so I was thinking I don't really want to bring my leather bags to the beach because with the salt water in the air, the salt crystal in the air or the moisture could seep into the leather bag and will cause the leather to crack. So I decided why not I just get one of these H&M tote bag for my beach vacation. Since the price is very reasonable, and I'm sure if I want I could just easily just hose it down and wash it without worrying too much about it. This bag doesn't come with a Doesn't come with any kind of a button closure or magnetic closure. It's a very straightforward tote bag. But I have to say, it's not just a flimsy fabric bag. It does have some structure to it. So it's not completely just flimsy, cheap tote bag. It's actually, the quality is actually fairly good. And I do love the graphic. I can understand why people are so in love with Dior's Book Tote. This kind of graphic does have its uniqueness to it. Let's see if I'm able to put this on. It's a very different style of bag charm, but add some color to your life. So thanks for joining me today for today's quick unboxing, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.